Hello everyone, my name's Itamar Blauer, and today I'm going to be going through the SERP and ranking insights tools that you can use as part of Ahrefs' free SEO tools suite. Now before we get into this video, make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any future SEO videos. So without further ado, let's get right into this, and we'll start off by looking at the SERP Checker tool and then the Keyword Rank Checker tool. So with the SERP Checker tool, with any keyword, we can essentially see the top 10 results, and we can filter this depending on the countries we want to look at. So there are 229 countries we can choose from, but for this example, I've got the United Kingdom selected. So let's say I want to see, for example, SEO Expert London, and check the SERP to see the top 10 ranking results here. And it's actually very quick to get the overview here on the SERP. So as we can see, I'm here at number 1, which is very cool. And we can essentially see the top 10 pages or top 10 results, but for the first 3 results, as you've seen in other types of videos, when we get an overview of the SERP, we get the metrics for the first 3 results. So we can see here from left to right, we've got the Ahrefs rank, so the lower this figure the better, the domain rating, URL rating, number of backlinks, number of referring domains, estimated traffic, and also the amount of organic keywords that this page is ranking for. So we can do this for almost any sort of market or geography here, and this just gets you an idea if you're wanting to do some research into the SERP to see who's ranking, checking the metrics that are associated with these rankings. You get a very clear idea of what's happening here. For instance, we can see that I'm ranking at the top here, and my domain rating, let's say, is higher than the position 2, but it's lower than position 3. But then we also take a look at the URL rating. So for me, the URL rating is higher than number 2 and number 3. So we can actually see that having a higher URL rating is actually proving to be better in terms of the rankings here for this keyword. And we can see there's more backlinks to my site, more referring domains. And interestingly enough, the traffic is less, but of course these figures aren't always going to be 100% accurate, but we can see the distribution here in terms of the second position has more organic keywords, but I'm still ranking higher with a higher URL rating. So that's something to keep in mind. So again, we can do this for any keyword, but that's the SERP Checker tool. It's pretty self-explanatory, like I said, in terms of its use case, but it's a very helpful tool. And the last thing we've got here with the SERP and ranking insights is the Keyword Rank Checker. So this is if you want to enter a domain and see where it's ranking in whatever geography for whatever keyword. So for example, I'll give an example that I know I'm not going to rank for. So I probably do not rank for the keyword SEO for my website, but let's have a look in the UK and see what this sort of displays. And again, like the first one, it only takes a few seconds to get the results here, and it's saying that I had no current organic ranking for my website for the keyword SEO in the UK, and it will still show up the actual SERP overview just so you can see who is, but this is only if you want to kind of check for yourself with really specific keywords. So if I wanted to say, for example, SEO consultant London, to see where I show up here, then it will tell me that, and I'm pretty sure I should be in the first few results for this keyword, which I am at position 3, which is very cool. Yeah, this is just the kind of way, if you don't have a rank tracking tool per se, you can sort of just do this for specific keywords or the most important keywords that you want to be ranking for. And it tells you as well when this was updated. So this was updated 4 days ago at the time of making this video. So we can see it's fairly recent. So that's just something to keep in mind, especially if you don't have any rank tracking tools. You can do this for free, which is absolutely great. And it's a really nice tool to be able to have. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you enjoyed it, leave a like rating below. I've been Itamar Blauer, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Hey, you've reached the end of this video, but don't worry, there's plenty more great content that you can watch right now. All you have to do is click one of the 2 video links on the left side of the screen. And also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss out on future uploads.